everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve emulated problem on Gmail, we click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we can search about Gmail and you can click here. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.